Euro dollar daily forecast July 9, fxempire.com. The euro dollar pair fell precipitously for a third day in a row after the poor jobs number came out of America. This was precipitated by a run to the treasury markets, and for the first time in 2 years, the pair is closing below the 123 level. This does suggest that further weakness is just around the corner. Looking at this, it's very easy to suggest that the recent consolidation area between 123 and 127 has been broken down, or at least violated. The slew of European economic announcements coming out this coming week should have this pair continuing much lower. Looking at the charts from a technical standpoint, you can see that it does look like we are forming, or we had formed a flag, we'd broken below it, come up and retest it, and continued lower. This flag actually measures a move down to 1.15. Seems like a long distance, but quite frankly, the way this is going, that should probably be done in a few months. As for buying the euro, we believe that it's the sucker straight at the moment. Rather, we'd simply fade around this pair as it shows signs of weakness or exhaustion. The pair currently suffers from a bit of a malaise as the bounces that they have produced recently have all been faded. Every time there seems to be a hopium or a hope on rally for this pair, it just simply gets crushed. For example, this was the candle from the European summit that supposedly fixed everything. Well, we're much lower than we started. The markets are asking for fiscal union in the EU, and until they get it, we suspect this pair will remain bearish. Also, the bond markets in both Spain and Italy both have spiked yet again in yields, and that's what this candle was all about, supposedly. And even though the United States is growing anemically, it is growing, and that is one up on Europe. In other words, no matter what you think of the US dollar, the forex markets are a relative value proposition. It doesn't matter if you think the US dollar should be high or not. The fact is the euro should be low, and as such, the dollar benefits.